Over the last few years, climate change has been making its way to the forefront of the global conversation. And while it might perhaps be too late for the planet itself, companies attempting to come to its rescue could net investors a pretty penny or two. There's a number of firms trying to implement green energy solutions, and we're here to give you the breakdown. First up on our list is high-profile electric vehicle company Tesla, ticker TSLA. With billionaire celebrity entrepreneur Elon Musk at the wheel, Tesla started the ball rolling for electric vehicles with their Roadster in 2008. And since then, they have released 4 different models, catering to many different consumer needs. Their unique business model, which includes not only vehicles but solar energy products and battery production, is what gives them the edge over many other traditional manufacturers, and they are showing no signs of slowing down. The recent US election results could be significant for Tesla, as the Biden administration's climate reform policies could see tax credits and subsidies come their way, bolstering their market cap further in the coming years. This stock could be a great addition to any investment portfolio. Electric vehicles are definitely one of the many solutions required for a green future, but they wouldn't be much cop without any juice. Our next company, a charging station company by the name of ChargePoint, ticker CHBT, is providing the solution across Europe and North America. With over 100,000 charging stations, the 13-year-old company has shown consistently that they have an efficient and stable business model and are a bright prospect for the future. Couple that with the 2021 merger with SPAC Switchback Energy Corp, and you could have the recipe for a very successful public company. Now could be a great time to plug in. When you think of renewable energy, the first options that come to mind are wind and solar, but our next company is hoping to provide an alternative and, to be fair, more power to them. Bloom Energy, ticker BE, is a fuel cell company based in San Jose, California. Specializing in environmentally friendly solid oxide fuel cells, the company manages all of the chemically produced energy and sells directly to consumers at a competitive price. Unlike wind and solar, these cells don't rely on weather conditions to generate energy, which puts the company at an advantage. With much of their funding coming from government subsidies, the recently elected Biden administration and their emphasis on tackling climate change will be hugely beneficial for Bloom, so investors could see some great gains if they plant their seeds now. Let's face it, paper money is soon to be in the rearview mirror of history, so now could be time for you to get ahead of the curve. With BlockFi, you can secure loans, earn compound interest and get interest rates up to 8.6% APY, all with crypto. There are no hidden fees, no minimum balances, and absolutely no reason to wait. Check out the link in the description for more details, and don't forget to claim your free $250 when you sign up. Although solar does have its problems, it will certainly play a role in transitioning away from traditional forms of energy production. And who better to put your chips on than the market leader? First Solar, ticker FSLR, has solar installations spanning the entire globe, and the recent election results could see the company go from strength to strength. The sun sure is shining on First Solar right now, and with a strong price-to-earnings ratio of 21.42, now could be the perfect time to invest. One company nipping at Tesla's heels, a Chinese EV manufacturer NIO, ticker NIO. Their most recent release is the ET7, a luxury semi-autonomous sedan that looks to compete with the highly successful Model S, and their recent sales figures show some promising results. Although Tesla has a distinct advantage in North America, tensions between the US and China have ensured that NIO is making serious gains in the Chinese market. Even the pandemic didn't stop them in their tracks, so with strong sales figures and a relatively affordable price, this could be a great stock to add to the portfolio. Our final company isn't actually a stock, but an exchange-traded fund, or ETF. ETFs allow investors to spread their money out across a number of stocks, minimizing the risk of investing in one company. iShares Global Clean Energy, ticker ICLN, is a leading ETF in the renewable energy space and yielded some excellent returns in 2020. With expectations of a transition to a greener energy system, this ETF could present the perfect opportunity to win across the board. And as the ETF has been dipping recently, Now could be a great time to get on board. So it's becoming quite clear that the impacts of climate change are going to be felt by everyone. Searing heat waves and intense weather cycles are beginning to capture the attention of decision makers, and progressive companies are seeing a big opportunity to innovate and provide some solutions to the problem. This innovation, combined with an increased level of funding from the Biden administration, could be the perfect storm for a long-term successful investment.